Okay, so let's have a look at the fifth adjustment for McGuigan Manufacturing Account 2022. And this is your suspense figure. So this arises as a result of the discount received entered only in the discount account. So if we've discount received, it means we're receiving a discount. So that means that discount received and creditors go together. So we need to reduce our creditors by 1,400. If it was discount allowed, it'll be debtors. So just for yourself, make note, discount received and creditors go together, discount allowed and debtors go together. So we've recorded discount received in the discount account, but we haven't recorded in our creditors account. So we're going to go up to our creditors account. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put beside it a minus figure. So we're going to go minus 1,400. So for our creditors, so creditors are here, so creditors need to go down by 1,400. So that means now that our creditor side is less than a debtor side by 1,400. So remember, debits and credits have to be the same. So we're going to have a look and see where is our suspense figure. So our suspense figure is on the debit side, so we need to reduce the debit side by 1,400. So now our debits and credits are the same. Okay, so just going to do it on the trial balance here, so then we know whether we're going to add on or take away. The second part of that question says that credit purchases of raw materials of 11,000 were entered only in the creditors account. So we have purchases, we entered 11,000 creditors account, but we haven't entered in our purchases account, so we need to increase our purchases by 11,000. So we're going to go and find our purchases. So purchase of raw materials, we said we need to add 11,000 onto that figure. That now means that my debit side is up by 11,000. So remember, debits and credits have to be the same. So if I go to my suspense is on the credit side or on the debit side, so I need to add or take away 11,000 from that figure. So now my debits and credits are equal. So that means now I know my discount, so my next working. So I've got my creditors. The amount for my creditors is 61,400. I know that I need to take away 1,400 from that, because that's what it says in my trial balance. I've done my debits and credits in my trial balance. So you take it away. So that's going to give me 60,000. So that's going to go into my balance sheet in my creditors due in 1 year. My next one, the next working then is going to be my purchases. So I'm going to go to my purchases figure, and I know I need to add on 11,000. So purchases 760,400. I'm going to add on my 11,000 because I haven't recorded it. So that's going to be my new purchases figure. And then I've got my general factory overheads. So my general factory overhead amount is 126,700. My discount, I know I need to take it away, 1,400. And my purchases then, I know I need to take away 11,000. Okay, so once you do it on your trial balance, you know whether you're going to add them or take them away. So my general factory figure is going to be 114,300. So the suspense, if you do it under trial balance, you know whether you're going to add on or take it away. So discount received was only entered in the discount account. So I know my knowledge is discount received and creditors, so I need to take away that 1,400 away from my creditors because I received a discount of 1,400, so now I owe them less. So I'm going to reduce creditors by 1,400. My creditors are on the credit side, so now creditors are down by 1,400. Debits and credits have to be the same. So now if I go to my suspense is on the debit side. So if my credit side is down by 1,400, then I need to reduce my debit side by 1,400. Then the second part of that says that raw materials were only entered in the creditors account. So I purchased an extra 11,000. I need to increase my purchases by 11,000. Purchases of raw materials on the debit side. So my debit side is up by 11,000. Debits and credits have to be the same. So in my suspense, I need to reduce suspense by 11,000, so they are equal. And then I'm going to know how to adjust the amount then. So my creditors I'm going to decrease, my purchase I'm going to increase, and then for my expense then I'm going to take the 1,400 and 11,000 out. So that's your suspense figure from McGuigan 2022 manufacturing account.